Welcome students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. So without wasting any time, let's start today's class. Today I am going to introduce with you a new topic, how to solve unseen passages. You might have faced difficulties in solving this, but today I am going to show how easily we can solve an unseen passage. So let's start. So this is an example of an unseen passage and we will try to solve it. But before that, I am going to tell you the ways you should follow before answering the questions. First of all, you should read the passage carefully and try to understand the text. Number two, read the questions and mark the keywords. Number three, reread the passage and match the keywords. Number four, read the questions and answer. So let us follow the instruction number 1 first. Let us read the passage carefully and let us try to understand the text. Mr. Patel worked in an office in Bikaner, but he lived in a village. So this text is about a man named Mr. Patel. He worked in Bikaner, but he lived in a village. He came to work by train every day. The railway station was not far from his office, so he always went there on foot. So this man, Mr. Patel, he used to come to office by train, and as the railway station was not so far from his office, he usually went there on foot. He reached his office at 10 o'clock. He worked there from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that man, he usually reached his office at 10 o'clock and worked up to 5 p.m. So this is the text. And now let us follow the instruction number 2. Let us read the question and mark the keywords. Here the question number A. Where did Mr. Patel work? Here just look the instruction once again. Read the questions and mark the keywords. Here it means you have to find out the keywords from the question. In the question, where did Mr. Patel work? Here the keyword you can say Mr. Patel work. Now let us to question number B. Where did he live? So here the keyword is he live. In question number 3, fill in the blanks. He came to work by train. So here the keyword you can say came to work by train. Question number D. How did Mr. Patel go to the railway station from his office? Here the keyword is go to the railway station from his office. Number E. How long did he work in his office? So So you can say the keywords, you can mark as keywords here. He work. So we have already read the questions and we have also marked the keywords. Now it's our turn to reread the passage and match the keywords. So in this section, we will read the passage and we will match the keywords we have marked earlier in the questions. So let us read the passage. Mr. Patel worked in an office in Bikaner. So we have marked here one Patel work. So we can match, we can find a match between these keywords and this line. So what will we do? We will just mark this whole line. Mr. Patel worked in an office in Bikaner. Next, read. But he lived in a village. In question number 2, we have marked he lived as keyword, and we have found a similarity in this line. He lived. So let us mark this line also. He lived in a village. Next, he came to work by train every day. So in question number 3, there is he came to work by train. So we can mark this line too. He came to work by train every day. Next question number, we should read from here. The railway station was not far from his office, so he always went there on foot. Here you can say go to the railway station from his office. So we can this line we can mark from his office. Next, how long did he work in his office? Here you can see he reached his office at 10 o'clock. He worked there from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can mark this line too. He worked there from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we have followed almost the 3 instructions from here, and now what we have to do, we have to read the questions once again and answer. So we have already marked, and now it's our turn to try to solve the question, try to answer the questions. So let us try. So the question number A, where did Mr. Patel work? And we have marked here Mr. Patel worked in an office in Bikaner. So we can write from this line the answer. Where did Mr. Patel work? Mr. Patel worked in an office in Bikaner. Question number B. Where did he live? Look here. We have marked this line, number 2. He lived in a village. So we can write the answer from this line. He lived in a village. Question number C. Fill in the blanks. He came to work by train. So in this line, he came to work by train every day. So the answer will be the every day. Now question number D. How did Mr. Patel go to the railway station from his office? We have marked this line, so we'll read this one. The railway station was not far from his office, so he always went there on foot. So we can write the answer this way. Mr. Patel went there on foot. Question number E. How long did he work in his office? Look at here, we have marked this line. He worked there from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we can answer this way. He worked from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we have answered all the questions and we have completed our task. So it's not a very difficult work to solve an unseen passage. So you may try and you will find that it's not very difficult, and you may say that it's very easy to solve an unseen passage. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.